cooking. We're gonna make us some food now.
Alrighty, you know the thing about when you're camping is, you know, you don't really feel like cooking heaps or cooking big meals or big dampers and all that sort of stuff at the end of the day or at night, because you're pretty tired. So if you're milling around camp and you've got a bit of an off day, why don't you just cook up a damper during the day? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a quirky little damper that I'm going to put together, and it's called a bacon and egg damper. So first of all, when you make damper, you're going to need self-raising flour. So we're going to whack some self-raising flour in. So we'll just stick in about that much. That's a medium size. Always stick a couple of eggs in, doesn't hurt, holds it all together. There's 2 eggs. You need milk as well to make damper. Here we go, we got some milk. We're going to need some mushrooms and we're going to need some bacon. So first of all, let's get a little bit of milk in here. Only putting a little bit in because I want to make sure that the eggs don't soak up my flour, and then I'm going to need to put more in. So we do a bit of a mix up here. So I've got my damper mix there going on, and you can see that there. There she is. Right, better cut up some bacon. Cut that bacon up nice and fine. All right, so we're going to chuck that in. In she goes. Nothing like bacon. Everyone likes bacon, I'll tell you now. A couple of mushrooms. Chop them up nice and fine as well. Just makes it easier for the ingredients to sort of evenly separate, or it's evenly sort of spread through the damper. There we go, look at that. And then we're going to mix those ingredients through our damper mix. So what we'll do now is we get a little bit of flour on our hands so that we can deal with this damper mix. There we go. So I've got my damper out. I'm going to bring him onto here because there's this little trick I'm going to show you. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make a hole in the middle of my damper. And then what I'm going to put in the hollow, I'm going to stick some other ingredients in there. So I'm going to stick a little bit of better cheese, and then I'm going to stick one more egg. And I'm just going to crack that egg on the top like that. And then I'm going to mould my damper over the top of the egg. Now it's going to be a little bit greasy going on here. Make sure he doesn't slop out the sides. I'm just going to try and keep my egg in the middle there, like that. There we go. Put a little bit of cheese on top, and that'll seal the deal. Seal all the guzzle and the goodness, as they say. Let's whack her in the camp oven and some coals on top. Alrighty, so what I've done is I've put the damper in this little sort of non-stick baking pan, and I've sprayed a bit of oil in there, and it's just easier to manage. I can get it out, put it in, not too much difficulty. So we're going to stick that straight in there like that. In she goes. There we go. Lid on. Stick him there. Stick a pole on top. We've got some good coals going too, so remember, no flames on top of your camp oven, just coals. And away we go. So that'll just sit in there. Keep checking it every now and again, and see how she cooks. All right, it's been a good half hour now, so let's have a check. I reckon it's going to be very, very, very close. Oh yeah, look at that. That is just nasty. Look at that, look how many eggs all sort of swollen up. Oh, keep the sand out of it. Oh, a bit windy around here. This thing is going to be awesome. Let's see if we can get her out of the camp oven. Slip in. Oh, yeah. Oh, that smells the part like you wouldn't believe. Tell you what, if television had smell-o-vision, you'd be drooling at the mouth over that, because I know I am. Oh, there we go, this sucker's piping hot. I don't know about you, I've never been so excited about a damper in my life. It just, I don't know, it just even looks the part. Maybe I won't even open it up. Maybe I'll just sit there and look at it. Nah, you gotta open it up and have a look. Get rid of that. Trick with a damper is, I reckon, is to break that sucker open like that. Oh, look at that. That just makes me want to eat it. Well, there you have it, folks. Bacon and egg damper. Oh, I'm excited because that is an awesome piece of damper. See you guys. I hope you like that recipe because there's many more in my new bush cookbook, about that much, with a bonus DVD.
Cooking, gonna make us some food now.